Hi, welcome to my tutorial on reciprocals. Now, as you see up the top there, I've written it down. The reciprocal of a number is the number that another number must be multiplied by to give the answer of 1. Now, it's a bit of a long sentence there, it's a little bit confusing, so I'm going to show you 3 examples of this. Okay, example 1, the reciprocal of a half. Well, what this is basically saying is, what do I need to multiply a half by to give me the answer 1? Well, 2 times a half gives me 1. There's 2 halves in 1. So if I times a half by 2, I get 1. So the reciprocal of a half is the number 2, because 2 times a half gives me 1. The reciprocal of 3 for the second example. Well, what do I need to multiply 3 by to get to 1? Well, I need to multiply 3 by a third, and that gives me the answer 1. So the reciprocal of 3 is a third. And when you think of it like that, then it makes it quite easy to understand, because obviously a half, the reciprocal is a 2. So a third, the reciprocal would be 3. So working backwards, it follows that the reciprocal of 3 is a third. The third example, now as a decimal. You can either turn this to a fraction to make it easier. So here, 0.25, you should know that 0.25 is a quarter. 0.5 is a half, 0.25 is a quarter. So then, using what we did in example 1 and 2, or example 1 basically, a quarter times 4 gives you 1. So the reciprocal of 0.25 is 4. Because 4 times 0.25 gives me